เจสันกินกะเพราหมูไข่ดาว of course
Have some of that country pack of pow. Countryside.
no need seasoning
No.
10 area turn right we try around first right?
Yeah.
Pha Kep Taiwan is on the left.
okay
Oh, she is muddy, boy. That should be alright. This is a viewpoint here.
viewpoint camping area the more people park last night they park here
That's the spot. I mean, if we want to, we could just fucking do it right here.
yeah
But there's no trees. I did this shit. Yeah, all my stuff buried in here.
โอเคเต็นท์ใกล้จะเสร็จแล้วเกือบ5 โมงแล้วแดดยังแรงอยู่เลยเปียกหมดเลยร้อนมาก This is gonna be our views sun gonna set in a couple hours
Yeah, 2 hours.
This is more comfortable. You wanna buy new one, buy this one.
What you talking about?
You're not hot? Damn.
Oh. You must got the ones that were hot. Hey, look at that big storm back there. See it?
Yes.
You see the billowing cloud go up? The white cloud in the back? See the lightning?
Yeah.
There's a storm right there.
ฝนตกหนัก
ไม่มาหน่วยเลย
Cannot see underwear ฝนตกหนักแต่ได้งานเย็นๆสบายค่ะเด็ก Our tap is good. Water already full. It's full. เอาถังรองน้ำไว้เต็มแล้วนั่นน่ะ แปรงสีฟันฉุกเฉินMorning, hon. We just woke up. Pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Cooler than last night.
Yeah, it is now, yeah. It's getting warmer though, I can tell. I'll go there. And don't try not to step on it. But
ไปเดินเล่นไปจุดชมวิวถ้าใครชอบอยู่ใกล้ห้องน้ำก็มาอยู่ตรงนี้ แต่ว่าพื้นไม่ราบเอียงมาก
see the temperature over there. It looks like it says 26.
Yeah.
It looks like it, I don't know.
Nature classroom.
There's a cafe.
Mm-hmm.
Not open.
That's the water we're using.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Babe, big slingshot. You wanna try?
Yeah. Here, hold it. You gonna take a photo?
I am take
you
a
video?
video.
Might break.
Yes. แต่มันเย็นกว่าที่นี่ เสือตาเหล่นะ น้องตาเหล่
Backwards.
เราเดินทางจากปราจีนบุรีไปโคราช
We got stickers and shirts.
This one, you want this one?
No, I like this one.
Say top line. Oh, this is look like the national park.
Where's that? That one.
This one too.
I like this one. Keychain.
400 or 49.
That's a lot.
Oh, this is good. Open bottle. Bottle opener. Very big. รั่งมากินข้าวเหรอคะ
We're fine. No.
โอ้ร้านนี้มีเด็กเสิร์ฟเป็นฝรั่งเขาเหมือนหมาป่ามากเลยนะหน้าตาเขามาน้อยคะ
That's beef. Good.
This is the best. Thank you, Belle. 'Thank you.
Oh, it's raining.
I don't think I like the car.
But we're camping. We're gonna stay here for another.
วันนี้ฝนน่าจะตกทั้งวัน เข้าห้องน้ำ Yes.ฝนตกทั้งวัน ทั้งคืน เล่นสบายแต่ก็เปียก
That's a huge spoon of beans. Pretty view. hear it? Babe, you hear that? That's the wind and the rain.
I may shower now, but my clothes gonna get wet, and it's not gonna be never dry. Woo! ไม่มีฝน เอาเสื้อผ้าออกมาตาก เดี๋ยวเหม็น Americano.
Right, just right.
No, Americano
Shit.
coconut water.สี่โมงกว่าวันนี้ฝนเพิ่งจะตก ตกนิดหน่อยด้วย นึกว่าจะได้ลองน้ำฝนไว้อาบ คืนนี้ ตกแค่นี้ไม่น่าจะพออาบ ไปกินข้าวเย็นมา
Chamka guy.
ต้มย
Tom yum guy. Aloy sapili. Fun top. Nit noi.
ำ hopefully we got enough water to shower
There ain't gonna be enough water for that. You show out here. No pain. ผาเก็บตะวัน My sexy husband. Hey me.
You're not my husband?
I'm not your sexy one.
You are sexy. Sexy the way you are.
And the footsteps, some of them are two boots, matching boots of someone's steps. There's 8 or 9 prints, I couldn't be sure, 8 or 9 sets of prints. Some have only one boot, barefoot and a boot. Others are just barefoot. Remember, this is the middle of winter in Russia. But they're looking at these prints, and if you look at the tent, from the inside, they've clearly abandoned their tent. Something's happened. But the cadence of the footprints as it picks up the tent going down the mountain away from the campsite. Sort of a mental coaching session, but the core, their personalities, whatever it is that they
ลุ้นว่าจะเห็นพระอาทิตย์ตกไหม
not out here. You say about water. Yeah, I fell. That's it.
Like to add scrambled egg in the soup. Khop khun kha.
Some lighting situations right here.
When a cloud like that, it means high wind.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Yep, I'm
All the
right.
Clouds down.
Uh-huh. My husband gets so excited.
That's too much anyway.
Too much video of
Too much
rain.
video of hyperlapse and time lapse and collapse. It's right here in front of us. Let's go.
Perfect every time. How much do you want?
Serving.
Need more than that.
That's good.
You're gonna take it over there.
Take the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Careful.
A trip.
Gonna try yours.
This time of season, is rainy and we're doing a lot of hiking and backpacking. Yeah, it might get windy.
Our last night.
Camera's dirty.
There's no rain all day.
No, it's been light rain. Light
And my husband
sprinkle. I'm excited,
Excited all day.
I'm excited when I see stuff like this. Look, it's coming right at us. Straight line winds.
10 times already.
It's
Never
raining
came.
right now. It's raining. It's raining right
Never
now.
came.
Look, people, look. That is rain, okay? That is heavy downpour rain. Those white clouds right there are straight line winds. Yeah. And it's coming right at us. I don't care what you think.
Never rain today.
Yeah, she's just saying it because she knows it's going to.
It's never rain, people. Put him in. Give him the bowl. Put outside. Hello?
Here comes the wind. You make sure ain't nothing gonna blow over, baby.
No, nothing gonna blow over.
Oh, why are you so damn?
Because I already protected.
You're so optimistic. Here's the ticket. It's gonna be wet.
Hello? Don't look at him.
Better hurry up, dog, if you want to eat.
Put over there, hun, under the car.
Got here. The wind blowing. It's like down there, they're getting hammered down there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So down at the other far end of the park, it's very, very windy. And on this side right here, it's very windy. But right through here,